Hey, this is Devious Danielle. It is August 10th, 2011, and we are here camping. So come see our campground. We have the tents, and there's Dad. Yeah.
The kitchen tent.
Our kitchen tent?
We'll have to show Cassie tomorrow. She wanted to see the campground.
She wanted to see the campground?
Yeah.
There's his barbecue. And then this is our kitchen tent. As you can see, we're really roughing it with the mini fridge and the toaster and the TV. Oh, there's the coffee maker. What do you think? What do you think of camping?
It sucks. It's raining too much.
It's raining too much. That's true. It's been raining a lot. And then the tents leak. And that's not fun. Hey Joshua, what do you think of camping? Is that my bathing suit on the ground? Huh? What do you mean you haven't been camping?
Well, I haven't been here half the time, and when I'm here, I don't really camp.
Well, have you enjoyed being here?
It's not bad.
Do you like the fact that I'm filming you when you're trying to do something?
No, not
The
really.
campground.
This is the campground. I'll do another shot of the campground for Cassie. This is just for me.
Don't get a 2-hour freaking video.
I'm gonna film for the next 3 hours. And then this is the rest of the campground. Isn't it fun? Fun. I am not wasting all my video time. Hey, now we're down at the pool, which, voila, is totally empty. So I'm going to go jump in. That's a little chilly. Actually, not too bad. Oh, it's a little chilly. No! My first we didn't even touch it. That was pathetic. That's what I'm doing. Goodbye. What did you just call me?
A wanker.
Call me a wanker?
Called you a wanker.
It's my dad.
What?
My dad called me a wanker. It's kind of rude. It's kind of not very nice. It's kind of meek. He's like kind of a jerk.
And you're a wanker.
And I think everyone on YouTube is going to agree with me.
YouTube will agree that you're a wanker.
No, they won't.
Yeah. I'll say, why is his daughter such a wanker? You're a wanker!
Okay, so at this campsite, I've showed you our campsite, and you've seen all of our stuff there, and I've showed you the pool. Now I'm going to show you how roughing it out here we really are. Okay, so here we are. What's this in here? Oh. It's a bathroom with showers and sinks. That just shows you how rough it is out here. I mean, we've got nothing. Just us and the nature out here. Okay, now that I feel refreshed after my 75-cent shower, we should head back to camp and see if dinner's ready. That's right, look. You have to pay for water. Is that the most ridiculous thing you've ever heard? Okay, let's head back to camp.